Simon James Barter travelled all the way from the UK to Vietnam for a reverse shoulder joint replacement surgery. He previously had 2 minor surgeries of his right shoulder, but the condition has worsened, leading to a loss of movement.
So then I went to Bangkok, met with the hospital and the surgeons, and a quote, and they wanted more scans and then more x-rays, and suddenly the costs were much higher, and then the costs were even more, and then it was significantly more than the UK even. I'm a bit concerned about this. Actually, the communication was getting worse. Every time I asked a question, they didn't want to talk to me unless it was about money.
A friend of Simon's who lives in Da Nang, Vietnam, recommended that he come to Vietnam for medical care. He then found an MTC partner hospital, which is a pioneer in 3D printed joint replacement in Vietnam.
Went to Vietnam, to Da Nang, to visit a friend, to then go back and start my visa again. I noticed that there was a big hospital there, and I contacted them and I said, see what it's like, can you do this? And they said, yeah, we can. It would be more efficient if you could have it in Hanoi, but you could recover in Da Nang. And I thought, well, could be great. So then I had the consultation, 3 people talking to me, really, I thought, wow, that's impressive. And I thought, well, this is great. Can I choose a date? Can I have it on this day? And they looked at each other and said yes.
Impressed by the expertise and professionalism, Simon made a visa change and flew to Vietnam, where a renowned orthopedic team was ready to free him from pain, together with cutting-edge 3D printing technologies.
We are the pioneer in using 2D printing technology and personalization in treatment for bone and joint diseases. Definitely, it will bring the best results and home away from home experiences for you.
Simon overcame a complicated surgery at a hospital in Hanoi, then completed his rehabilitation period at their Da Nang location, approximately 400 miles away, to enjoy a relaxed vacation from serene nature to world-famous cuisine.
Really good. Vinmec Da Nang is really nice, modern, professional hospital. They're welcoming, friendly, they know me. The facilities, everything's great. Really, really pleased with Vinmec Da Nang. Well, having visited once, we decided to rehabilitate here. Really nice beaches, nice accommodation, nice river, mountains. It's a lovely city, and so we chose it. It's much more advanced than I expected, much quicker recovery. I'm stronger, I can move more than 20 years. I mean, everything is on the plan. I have good communication. Really pleased, really pleased.
MTC is with you every step of the way. For your medical or dental trip, contact MTC today.